Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a spread today in my recollections planner, my brand new recollections planner. I am using this planner solely for faith planning. So if you guys watched my haul video that I posted a couple of days ago, you guys know all about this already. So I'm not gonna talk too much about it. But I am using printables today. I'm doing a spread in the back of this planner. So this planner has a note section, and I'm doing a spread in the back of this planner. And I am using printables from the Sweet Paradise printable kit from Print Pray Slay and A Pile of Ashes. So Kelly from Print Pray Slay and Ashley from A Pile of Ashes collaborated together and made this very, very pretty printable kit. You guys, it is the cutest thing I have worked with. I want to say today, because every item that I've ever bought from Print Pray Slay is amazing. So yeah. And actually, those florals, the florals that I'm putting down right now that are going along the right side of the page, and those florals on the left hand side of the page that I just layered, those are actually freebies. So if you sign up for the Print Pray Slay newsletter, and all this information will be down below in the bottom, in the description box on the bottom. But if you sign up for the newsletter from Print Pray Slay, you can get those for free. You can download those for free. And you guys know free stuff is great. So go download the newsletter, or go sign up for the newsletter and make sure to download those freebies. But I am using the Bible verse from Proverbs. I'm using a Bible verse from Proverbs chapter 19 verse 21. And the actual Bible verse says, "You can make many plans, but the Lord's purpose will prevail." And because this is paradise themed, islandy, summery, the actual word art says two can make many plans, but the Lord's purpose will prevail, because it's a toucan on the, y'all get it. But yeah, so I wanted to make this as bright as possible. I wanted to make this spread as bright as possible and put down all these pineapples and flowers and toucans and pinks and blues and purples, and I just wanted to put down everything because this is the cutest printable kit. Like, I had so much fun working with this kit. But I'm also taking a couple of stickers from an American Craft sticker book that I didn't get it. My friend Francis got it for me, and it's from Hobby Lobby. And so I put down that sticker that says, "For I know the plans I have for you." And yeah, I wanted to expand upon this particular scripture, the Proverbs chapter 19 verse 21, and I wanted to just discuss with you guys about God's timing. And I wanted to discuss with you guys, and I also wanted to make a spread about God's timing. And so I think there's an important lesson to remember, that I feel like we as humans, we have this expectation that we're supposed to be at a certain point in our lives, like, all the time. So you're supposed to have kids by a certain age, you're supposed to be married by a certain age, you're supposed to have a promotion by a certain age, or make this amount of money. And there's always this expectation that you're supposed to be somewhere higher than where you are, or you're supposed to be, like, you're supposed to be somewhere where you're not. And so I feel like we often get discouraged because we look at the next person and we think that we're supposed to be like them, or we think that we're supposed to have what they have, or be in the position that they're in. And I just wanted to remind you guys, and also to remind myself, that it's not about us. It's not about the expectation that we put on ourselves. It's not about the expectation that other people put on us. It's all about God's timing. Only God knows the plans that He has for you, and only God knows where you're supposed to be. Everything happens for a reason. If you didn't get that job that you wanted, there's a reason for that. God knows that. If you didn't marry that guy that you thought you wanted to marry, that you were supposed to marry, there's a reason for that. So I just feel like we shouldn't keep holding ourselves. We shouldn't keep discouraging ourselves and being discouraged because we think we're supposed to be somewhere that we're not. God knows exactly where you're supposed to be, and you're in the right position. You're in the right position right now. So don't stress, don't worry. Just continue to keep moving forward and continue to just do you, and everything's going to be fine. You don't have to think about the next person. You're just run your race, run your race. Don't worry about the person next to you. And so that's the encouragement that I wanted to give you guys today. In my actual spread, what I'm doing right now is writing out a prayer to God. And so that prayer is basically just asking God to grant me the patience to remember everything that I just said to you guys. Just grant me the patience and remember that it's not about me, and, everything happens for a reason, and just grant me patience to remember that. And so that's it, you guys. That's pretty much it. This is how the entire spread turned out. I'm going to add one more sticker that says love is patient, because I think that wrapped up pretty much everything of what I was trying to say in a nutshell. Just be patient, and I promise you guys everything will work out. Everything will work out. But I'm just going to show you some close-up shots of how the entire spread turned out. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And make sure to check out Print Pray Slay shop in the description box. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.